Unfortunately, even the most well-maintained tank occasionally suffers an epidemic. Tropical fish diseases can be caused by everything from stress to rotting matter, contaminating the water. Here are a few ways to prevent and treat various diseases. A good way to prevent a number of tropical fish diseases is to clean and monitor your tank regularly. Remove any dead fish or rotting plant matter as soon as you can. If you have any particular delicate fish, it may be a good idea to quarantine them by putting them into a small plastic bags while you clean. Also, be sure not to replace all the water in the tank, as it contains useful bacteria that are important for the health of your fish. Overfeeding or feeding your fish the wrong thing can also result in a number of tropical fish diseases, as well as being hard on their digestive systems. Neglecting food tends to release harmful amounts of nitrate and ammonia into the water, especially meat flakes or neglected live food. The decaying of the food also drastically affects the oxygen and pH levels in the water as well, which can be extremely hard on both hardy and delicate fish. Finally, simple stress can create a wide variety of tropical fish diseases. Signs of stress can include everything from drastic color changes in your fish to changes in behavior. Common signs include clamped fins, gasping difficulty, swimming, and others. In spotting these signs quickly, you can diagnose various disorders and have them treated as soon as possible. You can reduce stress by turning your tank's light off at night, refraining from tapping on the glass, and making sure there are no drastic changes in the water temperature. These causes often result in a variety of tropical fish diseases. Velvet, for example, is when there are white spots visible on the scales. This is commonly caused by parasites and easily treated. Ick, or white spot, is a similar disease that is often caused by heightened stress levels. Fin rot is caused by the presence of a malignant bacteria in the water that gradually eats away at your fish. Finally, the dreaded dropsy is characterized by bloated bodies and scales that stand out from the body. There is generally no cure for this. The best thing to do is eliminate the fish before it spreads to others in your tank. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more aquatic adventures. Watch the next video here, and I will see you there.